All right, I'm here today to talk to you guys a little bit about humidity and AC systems. Humidity, relative humidity, is everything that people in North Texas know about and understand, but they don't understand it with their home. Humidity is higher in the spring and the summertime, and it affects our comfort. We want to cool our house and heat our house, but humidity will help dictate the comfort of the house. It's either too high, too low, we're sticky, we're clammy, we're sweaty, but the house will be cool. If you properly maintain your equipment and help it keep its efficiency, ACs are normal side effect of the AC cooling is dehumidification. The coil sweat pulls the water out of the air. There are better systems out there with variable speed motors that do have dehumidification programs. Keeping your coils clean, keeping your filters clean, having the proper size ducting will work real well. Humidity wants to equalize. The system will dehumidify during operations, but if you have a leaky house, you're going to get infiltration of humidity from outside into the house. All right, sealing your grills at the ceiling will prevent humidity from coming in from the attic, because most people's attics are vented to the outside. So the envelope of the house is important. All right, dehumidifiers are a great way to dehumidify the house. April Air makes a great one. Now, we do install those systems that are oversized too, will cool too fast. A system that cools your house too fast won't remove any moisture from the air as well. So modern systems that have variable speed blowers and enhanced dehumidification programs will run slower at times, getting the equipment colder and wicking out a lot more water. So when we think of comfort, it's just not heating and cooling. Comfort is the control of humidity. All right. You can give us a call at All Systems. We can definitely do the maintenance, get things cleaned out for you. Or if you're looking at a system or a dehumidifier, we can help you with that too.